Hi, I'm John Currie, and today we're going to show you some features and benefits of our new Currectlync steering for the Jeep JK Wrangler. The Currectlync steering is at least 12% larger in every aspect than the factory steering. It was designed after the 1-ton Ram truck steering as far as size and strength. The boots were designed for maximum angles. The geometry has been changed for a lifted Jeep, but still works on a factory height. Also, all rod ends are greasable. The Currectlync is also available in a reverse drag link, so you can either flip the drag link or use in a right-hand drive vehicle. The tie rod has some unique features as well. Both ends are replaceable, unlike the factory unit. On the left side, we have a double adjuster for ease of adjustment, and it comes with a stabilizer bracket. Another feature is that the tie rod ends index into the tube with a stud, taking the load away from the threads and enhancing the strength of the tie rod. This very cost-effective unit carries a 1-year unconditional warranty, can be used with any size tire, and also Ram Assist.
To purchase this product or for more information, visit RockJock4x4.com. Also, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, here on YouTube. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to keep up with all our videos.